I'm going to show you a great method that you can do to warm up to your top set of your heavy compound movements like squats here, but this can be applied to bench press and deadlifts. First, figure out your top set weight of 3 to 5 reps. Here I'm doing 335 for 4 reps at my top set. What we're going to do is called a reverse countdown method with the highest reps at the beginning and the lowest reps as you approach your top set. Now this quarter plate or 25 pounds is going to be your best friend. Now I'm not really counting the bar, I'm just going to do as many reps as I can just to warm up. But my first set is going to be this 45-pound plate and I'm going to do this for 5 reps. Then we move up a quarter plate on each side, this time doing 4 reps. Now this isn't an exact quarter plate increase. I basically just took the 25 pounds off and added a plate. It's just easier than to specifically add 25 pounds. Here, I'm doing it for 3 reps. So you might sort of get the idea now. I'm adding another quarter plate, and this time I'm doing 2 reps of that because this is actually approaching my top set. Okay, here's the weight for my top set, and I'm just doing 2 sets of these. You may be asking, what do you do if your top set's around 275? Well, it's the same thing. Do your warm-up with the bar. If you noticed, I didn't start with this in mind. But now you're actually going to start with a 25 on each side for 5 reps, 45 for 4 reps, adding on another quarter plate for 3 reps, 2 plates for 2 reps. Boom, now you're on your top set of 275. Alright, next scenario. Now your top set is actually 2 plates. Same thing, warm up with the bar. You're going to do 5 reps of this 25, 4 reps of this plate, 3 reps of this plate with a 25, and boom, you're at your top set. You may be wondering why I didn't add another set in there. Because squatting this amount of weight is considered intermediate, so you still don't really need much warming up to do. When you get more advanced, you're going to need more of a warm-up for those heavier weights that are relative to your body weight. Okay, what do you do if you're completely new to the gym and your top set's 1 plate? Well, 1, don't be discouraged. This is how I started off. And 2, you're going to warm up with the bar as usual. But this time we're increasing in increments of 10 pounds. So do 10 pounds for 5 reps. Replace the 10 and add a 25 for 4 reps. I know this is a 15-pound increase, but it's easier that way. Then we're going to add another 10 pounds for 3 reps. Boom, now you're at your top set of 1 plate. I hope this made sense.